going on, guys? It's your main man Justin Strong out here today making a little bit of trail. Want to share another tip. I carry one of these saws almost at all times on the trail in Baja. These little fold outs, especially with the hurricane that just came, this thing does a ton of damage quick, and you can get these almost anywhere. Sorry. This brand is Wicked Tree Gear. This thing works awesome. There's plenty of other places you can get these, Amazon, Home Depot, but carry one. It'll save the day one day. I'm out.